this is Morea, room 3009. That's on the 3rd floor. The Morea building is in the DVC buildings. Okay, just to the left of the entryway is a bathroom. Okay, hold on, we gotta get a couple more light switches on here. No, there we go. So drawer spaces, toiletries. Very open space in here. Oh, cute. Alrighty. Huge closet. Laundry basket. Ironing board. Nice large safe. Nice big safe, actually. I really like that closet space. Alrighty, I gotta find all the light switches here. So you have a microwave, some paper utensils here. Again, this is DVC, coffee maker, regular coffee maker. There's some draw freeze coffee, toaster, mini fridge, which is good size. Trash cans. Now this is my favorite part. There is a second bathroom, half bath, and you have a sink, some drawer areas, small drawers, but still drawers, hair dryer, and a rain shower. Very nice. Happy birthday. Okay, then we have a bed here. I have got to figure out these light switches because not all of them are coming on. Bed, queen size, and then I'll show you this in a moment. It comes down, it's a Murphy. Coffee table. Seating area, I really like those chairs. And then this comes down very easily. I'm doing this with one hand into a bed. And then we have just a basic garden view out here on the patio. Let's see if I can open it. Okay, there's some kind of, oh, two locks. Two locks, oh, that's nice. And then looking back into the room, very spacious, very spacious, cool theming. Love that lamp. storage in here and storage under the bed. Plugs. DVC room is really gorgeous. 2 showers, 1 toilet facility. Beautiful room. A lot of space. The one thing I noticed though, unless you're putting everything into the trunk, there are no drawers for your clothes. I don't like leaving out of a suitcase when I'm traveling. I like unpacking, so that's weird, but it's beautiful room, so that's good. Just no place to unpack. Scratch that, I found some. Not a lot, but I found some. So, on side of the bed, on each side, there, well, why can I get this side open? There we go. On each side, there is a drawer. So, there are some drawers.